The custom project that I'm working on, some of it's behind me, is a built-in unit for our customer. They have a custom built home built in the 2000s. It kind of has this weird space to it. It's this recessed drywall section, and it's right when you come inside the garage door, so it's actually a perfect spot for a mudroom addition. Storage, built-ins, shelving is probably the most common custom woodworking job or custom built-in that I'm gonna end up getting. I've had some that are office storage, I've had some that are mudroom storage, I've had some that are libraries. It really all just depends on what that customer has in their house and what they're needing to organize. I mean, anything in a home, right? The more organized something is, the better function it's gonna be. Think of a kitchen. The more organized your drawers are, the more organized your cabinets are. If you have the features where it's, oh, my trash can's underneath the sink, things like that, even just in a kitchen on a small scale, spice racks, where those organize that space really well. It's the same for built-ins. Now they can put baskets up inside of it, or they can do hooks on the back sides of them to where they can do hats, gloves, scarves, dog leashes, whatever it may be. That's really what it boils down to. I meet with you, I try to figure out, hey, what can we do? What information can I gather from you? What input can I offer from doing this multiple times to where I can say, hey, here's where I think we can go with. I started woodworking when I was 12. Was blessed to have a wood shop in my middle school and actually be able to start doing things then. Fell in love with it, had the love of it, so it's something that I've fostered and had a love for a very long time. Being able to do the custom woodworking is where I get to express the creativity side that I don't get to do on a lot of days, but also I still get that love of woodworking.